He's peeking in. He's headed for his trailer. These guys here, they just made it up. Okay. Let's check this out. Got that bat. We'll see what happens there. Guys, it's breaking loose. I see him coming in back behind these two. Bass boat's coming in. The trailer for this guy's right here. He's coming down the ramp with the trailer. Sea-Doo trailer hitting the water. Big boat just come in over there. Yeah! Big boat just hit the ramp there. At the dock, just got to the dock. Okay. Alright, going for the trailer. Bass boats are lined up along the canal here waiting for their trailers to get there. If you don't hit the ramp right, you're going to be right off into the, you know, that's where that guy had that trouble and had to move. Bass boats coming. Bring it in there, Big Daddy. That big boat back there, I guess he's making it. All right, he made it. Bass boat's going wild here. Hang on, guys. Bass boat's going wild. Ah! There's another one. One going for the trailer back there. Oh my, here goes another one for the trailer. Hang on, guys. Going for the trailer. He's ahead of the other guy. You get him? Hit it, man. Hit it. Okay, this bass boat is coming right in front of us here. Ah, bring it up, baby. Hit it, hit it. Hit it! Yeah! Get it! Yeah, man! Oh, here comes another bass boat. Bass boats gone wild. Big boats, bass boats, everybody trying to get out of the water, guys. Two more boats, bass boats just come in. Hang on. Everybody going crazy here. Another guy hitting the dock. All right. All right, look over in this corner, guys. people just everywhere trying to get through, can't get through, trying to make it around that corner. This guy with his trailer over there, he's been trying to get through there for a few minutes, but where is he? Right here. He's been trying to get through there, but then this guy right here is right in front of him, so. All right. He's in the water. Here comes the bass boat. Ah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 boats trying to get out. 11 boats trying to get out, guys. Okay. I think this guy's the one with this big boat here, I think.
5 and a 3 right in the boat.
This guy?
Yep. 5 and a 3 right at the boat.
This guy's going on and the other one's going on at the same time. Pro line headed out here. Uh-oh, look out, look out. All right. Line's headed out. Bye-bye, man. Have fun. Got a bass boat over here in the under the tree there. All right, here comes another one. All right, here we go, guys. Hang on, guys. Hang on. 2 boats headed for the trailer. Other bass boat right down here in front of us. Alright, let it rip, big daddy over there. Let it rip. Yeah, let it rip. Oh my, boats everywhere, guys. Check it out. Everybody's going crazy here. Boats everywhere. This big boat back here is headed for the trailer. Another bass boat. All right, let's check them out. Look out. Oh my, look out, guys. This might be a little crazy here. Just hit the dock once. Bass boat's headed up. Yeah. He's trying to get it there. All right, these guys just come in. They're trying to get to the dock over there. He just blasted on. Yeah. That right here in front of us. He's still trying over there. Comes this other bass boat on the far left right there. He's peeking in. He's headed for his trailer. These guys here, they just made it up. There's the guy with the big white cowboy hat. He just came in. That bass boat there is done on the left. I think he's waiting for this pontoon over here. He's kind of blocking this bass boat from getting out. I guess the guy on the far right, he's deciding to go the other way. He's out of there. Yeah, it's crazy here, guys. Oh, man. All right, here comes another boat, guys. Let's check that. Hand me one too. Yeah. All right. I went to a Led Zeppelin concert one time. Yeah, that was pretty wild. That happened a couple of times. All right. What did this guy do? He was sitting here and he went blasting off over to the shore over there. Made it. That pontoon is still trying to get in over there. Oh my, he should have come down here. We had more room, you know. Trying to get that pontoon boat in. Having all kinds of trouble back there. I guess they're getting it. Putting the boat in should be easy. Okay, there goes the traffic jam. Nitro Z20. 250 Mercury on there. Real nice boat headed for the trailer. The trailer's sitting there. Yeah. All right. We got a Bass Tractor 150 Mercury. Got that boat back there that came in a few minutes ago. All right. The guy on the far right will be sliding up in here. He's headed for the trailer, guys. Let's check it out. Bring it in, Big Daddy. All right. That's the guy with the big white cowboy hat. He's hitting the ramp over there. Got a pontoon boat back there. I had a feeling today would be wild over here. This is one of the better days that we've had in a long time. It's supposed to turn cold again. It's up to 80 today is what they were saying. Pontoon trying to make it in back here. They're trying to make it to the ramp there. To the dock, I mean. Sorry. Look out!